Hey friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video about Mitolyn. I want to talk to you about Mitolyn because this is such a great supplement that has been helping people to lose weight, to regain their self-esteem. You know how comforting it is to look at yourselves in the mirror and be like, gosh, that's me. I look incredible. I was able to lose lots of weight. And know that you did this through a natural supplement that is also really good for your overall health. Now, Mitolyn brings a lot of great benefits to the table. It's actually going to be targeting your mitochondria. And your mitochondria, it helps you to burn fats. It fuels every part of your bodies. So it runs smoothly, So the more mitochondria you have, the more fat you burn. So if you're putting on weight, it's because your mitochondria function ain't functioning, So I will be leaving Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box of this video. You can go there to learn more about it as well as purchase it. And I think it's really great because you can even read what other customers are saying, okay? So in Mitolyn, you get maki berry, which is this super duper cool antioxidant that helps you to maintain your heart healthy, that helps you stabilize your cholesterol levels. There's also rhodiola. There is also chisandra, theobroma cacao, amla, which is also known, I think, as this like gooseberry, Indian gooseberry, something like that. But the cool thing about the Mitolyn is that it's going to boost up your mitochondria function, but it's also going to be helping you maintain other parts of your body's healthy, such as your liver. It's going to maintain your skin's elasticity. It's going to make your immunity a lot stronger. It's going to help you have healthier joints. It's going to help you stabilize your blood pressure, your blood sugar. It's also, since it's got theobroma cacao in it, it also gives you like this natural aphrodisiac, So there's lots of great things that Mitolyn does for you. And people who started using Mitolyn are losing weight, are becoming healthier, because let's face it, this is 100% natural. This does not have side effects. It does not have GMOs, no contraindications. That's why you got to remember that the minute you start using Mitolyn, you have to be like really committed to it, okay? Like you're using it every day, a capsule every day, and you're doing this for 3 or 6 months. But I always tell people it's best to use it for 6 months, because 6 months gives your bodies like lots of time to adapt to it and really absorb up these ingredients to get these benefits, So if you want to be healthy and you want to look gorgeous and you want to be slimmer, use it for 6 months. Because it also comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, which is like 3 months, right? So 90 days, if you don't like it, you can simply go back to the official webpage and request a refund. But I'll tell you what, with Mitolyn, you can finally start losing weight. It's going to target your fat stores, your stubborn fats, your visceral fats, and you're going to become slimmer. And this is something that is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. So don't forget about that right here in the States. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you folks next time. Okay, bye.